Greetings to all who watch this video. We are very glad to see you on our channel. We decided to start this video under the bridge. It's cool enough because of the bridge's shadow. Just the same, from this bridge we will throw a magnet in the river. Also, perhaps we will work from both sides today. Everything will depend on the circumstances. As usual, we will hope for a good catch. Stay on our channel and in any case do not switch. Now we will prepare for work. These large columns show that the water level here before was much higher. This conclusion can be reached even judging by the soil on which we stand now. The soil here is quite wet and soft. Let's untangle our long rope and try several times to throw a magnet in the water here. Later we will go on the bridge. Let's get the magnet out of the water and look at the result. I'm afraid that the result will not impress us very much. From the bottom of the river, we pulled out a lot of mud that dirty our magnet and rope. Now we realized that this was not the best idea. I think we should not fish here anymore. Except for dirty silt, we did not pull anything else, so we decided to move to the bridge. We will not invent anything new, but continue to work on a proven scheme. We are already there and my partner first put the magnet in the water. Our first drop of the search magnet into the water was unsuccessful. So far we have not managed to pull anything apart from a rusty beer cork. Let's throw the search magnet away. Just near the shore our magnet was hooked on something, apparently great. My partner tried several times to tear off the magnet, but nothing came of it. Let's try again. As you can see, nothing happens. Without thinking twice, my friend decided to go down to the coast to try to take some action there. Let's see what will come of it. The search magnet still does not lend itself to any influence. My partner from different sides trying to influence the magnet. Well, let's hope that he will succeed. It seems happened. With great efforts he still managed to pull out the magnet. So far we have no answer to the question what is hidden underwater. to what our search magnet is so tightly adhered? Just my partner cleaned the magnet from the algae. It turned out that along with the algae we pulled out some kind of incomprehensible metal object. This piece of metal can be a part of something, to which the magnet was initially so densely magnetized. Now, too, I'll go to my friend ashore. Let's take a closer look at the find that we just caught. Now we will try again to throw a magnet in the same place. After a few more shots, we again clung to something very tight. Our magnet again strongly adhered to that mysterious piece of iron. We tried together to drag the catch to shore, but we did not succeed. Whatever it was, we probably will not get it out. We will return back to the bridge. Just my partner pulled out another catch, namely a knife. On the blade of this knife are depicted various drawings and inscriptions. Let's look closer. As you can see on the handle of the knife the same pictures. Unfortunately I don't know what all this means. In principle, I think this is not so important. A good find. Once again we get the search magnet out of the water and I already see some kind of catch. I think that this is nothing more than a wire. We often have to catch such garbage. Let's continue fishing. This time we see another one long piece of wire. Although this catch is not serious, but at least we clear the bottom of the river from various metal debris. Let's once again throw a magnet in the same place. As you see, this cast also brought us a catch. We caught a few more pieces of wire. After a few casts, we pulled out a few more metal objects. Among all these subjects I do not see anything special, so let's not linger and go on. Just near the shore my partner caught something bigger. So far we do not know what it is. Let's get this catch higher so that we can at least see it and understand what we're dealing with. We see just a huge coil of wire. We did not expect such result. We decided not to pull this catch up. I think it will be easier just to put it ashore. Let's go down and take a closer look at the catch and the result as a whole. Today we did not catch anything beyond the special, but we have never got such a quantity of wire from the river. We were pleased with the fact that we did a useful job cleaning the bottom of the river from metal debris. We hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel in order not to miss more cool video. Click on the bell and receive notifications of new series. Also, do not forget to share this video on social networks and with friends. We wish you good fishing and good luck. See you soon.